possible. Look at that building back there, guys. There was a house right there. That's a house.
Oh my god.
See that?
They didn't have a basement.
There's a canoe up there in the tree.
These people died.
Can we go get it? You care? Oh man, that's a direct hit there. Don't be videoing.
Well, but we grew up on the street.
Mom, you grew up on the street?
Well, this farmhouse that's down here that we're going to.
Took them hay bales apart.
Gosh.
I mean, I remember when they built that house, you know? It's weird.
I think you're going to get lucky because this right here is like dead zero of it.
No, because there's some people next door that were friends with my great-grandma and grandpa.
Rainbow.
There's the crazy church. I can't tell.
Kind of looks like maybe it went out of business.
Will you pull in here and let me go check on him?
Is this the house?
Yeah, just pull in there.
This place is effed up. Is this it?
For some reason it seemed a lot nicer.